In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook ads page. Embarking on the world of Facebook advertising can be both exciting and a bit daunting, but fear not, as today we're going to walk you through the process of creating a Facebook ads page step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video you'll be fully equipped to launch your advertising journey on one of the world's most popular social media platforms. First things first, you need to head over to Facebook. It's quite simple to begin. With just a few clicks, you will be on your way to creating an advertising page that could potentially reach millions. Once you're at the Facebook homepage, look for the option to sign up with Facebook. This is your gateway into creating a business presence on the platform. After clicking the sign up option, you'll be prompted to type in your name. Ensure you use your real name to maintain authenticity and trust, which are crucial in the digital advertising world. Next, you're going to input your birthday. Facebook requires this information for a variety of reasons, including age-specific content and legalities. Following your birthday, you'll choose your gender. Facebook asks for this information to better tailor your user experience and potentially for demographic targeting in advertising efforts. Next up, type in your phone number or email address. This is crucial for account security and recovery. Ensure the email or phone number you use is one you have access to and check regularly. After entering your contact information, you will be prompted to type in your password. Choose a strong, secure password to protect your account from unauthorized access. Remember, your Facebook account is the gateway to your advertising page, so security should be a priority. Now you're ready to hit sign up. This action officially creates your Facebook account, but we're not done yet. The next crucial step is navigating to the ads section located on the lower left panel of Facebook. Here is an essential tip to complete your Facebook ads account creation. You need to create a Facebook page. This is a critical step because your ads will be tied to this page, serving as the face of your business on Facebook. Creating a Facebook page is a simple process that enables you to connect with your target audience and begin advertising. You can choose the category that best fits your business, customize your page with photos and descriptions, and start sharing content that engages your audience. This page will be the cornerstone of your advertising efforts, providing a platform to showcase your products or services and interact directly with customers. Remember, your Facebook page is not just a requirement for running ads, it's also a powerful tool for building your online presence. Regularly update your page with interesting and relevant content to keep your audience engaged. This will not only help in building a loyal following, but also improve the effectiveness of your ads. As you embark on this journey, keep experimenting with different types of ads and content to see what resonates with your target audience. Facebook offers a plethora of analytical tools to help you track the performance of your ads, understand your audience better, and refine your strategies for maximum impact. Creating a Facebook ads page might seem like a lot at first, but by following these steps, you're setting the foundation for successful advertising campaigns. Remember, the key is to stay authentic, engage with your audience, and continually optimize your strategies based on performance data. And that wraps up our guide on how to create a Facebook ads page. Whether you're looking to boost your brand's visibility, drive sales, or connect with your target audience, Facebook's extensive advertising platform offers the tools and reach necessary to achieve your goals. So go ahead, set up your page, and start making the most of the opportunities that Facebook advertising has to offer. Thank you for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on how to navigate the digital marketing landscape. Happy advertising!